Today we hosted our Leaders Open Day and we're very happy to say that the day was a success. Thank you for all those who came and participated. We had students from all walks of life who enjoyed campus tours and also had workshops that were conducted by our very good facilitators. We're very happy that we were able to provide opportunity with a bit of fun because the learners took part in games such as soccer and other board games that they enjoyed in the institution. And we're looking forward to welcoming the learners as part of the students at Cornerstone in the future.
I'm very excited. Like, it was a great experience for me and for Amanda and Vilana School and Sam. Yeah, it was very exciting.
You can see the Cornerstone's ready for the students in the sense they want to they want to connect with people and they want to be there for the students. I really enjoy it in the sense of that.
Really nice time here. I learned a lot. I learned about leadership, learned about what this school is about, and I enjoyed my day.
I'm so excited and I'm learning new things. Thank you.